Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 41 of chapter 10 section 2. Find the exact length of the curve x equal to 7 plus 6t square, y equal to 7 plus 4t cube. T lies between 0 and 2. So note that the equation is given in parametric form and we are asked to find out the length of the curve. So length of the curve in parametric form is integral square root of dx by dt the whole square plus dy by dt the whole square dt. The variation is for t from alpha to beta. So now x is given, so dx by dt can be determined, which is 12t. Then dy by dt, y equal to 7 plus 4t cube, dy by dt would be 12t square. So L is integral square root of dx by dt the whole square, so 12t the whole square, plus dy by dt 12t square the whole square dt. And t lies between 0 to 2. We are given t lies between 0 to 2. And 2. So this is equal to integral 0 through 2 square root of 144t square plus 144t to the power 4 dt. So you can remove square root of 144. It's integral 0 to 2. So in fact 144t square is common. So you can remove 144t square outside. So it is 1 plus t square inside the parentheses. So square root of 144t square is 12t. So 12t times square root of 1 plus t square. T runs from 0 through 2. So it is 12. The length of the curve is integral 0 to 2, 12 times t square root of 1 plus t square dt. This can be easily integrated by ordinary substitution method. So substitute u equal to the term inside the radical. So du is 2t dt. We can also change the limits accordingly. We are changing the variable t to the variable u. They are connected by u equal to 1 plus t square. So when you say this integral over here, these are the limits, 0 and 2 are the limits for t. So t equal to 0, u equal to 1, and t equal to 2, u equal to 1 plus 2 square, that will be equal to 5. So length of the curve is 12, integral 1 through 5. Then square root of 1 plus t square, that will be square root of u. Then t dt is going to be du over 2. So 2 and 12, that will give us 6. Square root of u on integration will give u to the power 3 by 2 over 3 halves. That will be 12 over 3. And between the limits 1 and 5. So it is u to the 3 halves between 1 and 5. So it is equal to 4 times 5 square root of 5 minus 1. So the length of the curve, the parametric curve, is 4 times 5 root of 5 minus 1. Hope this video helps.